Alright, let's take a look at these Burnbot. This is pretty looking Burbots. We're gonna figure that out later. And then we have Sonic.
And he can fit into the spinning wheels. Let's put him in there. And he's gonna crash into the Burnbot.
Go! No!
And now we're gonna look at Dr.
Eggman
Eggman
for Ripcord Eggmobile.
So here's everything that comes in this set. It comes with
Dr. Eggman. It comes in the Ripcord and this Eggmobile.
Let's have him hold on to
the controls here.
the controls here, because he's gonna go flying.
Oh, see you later. Oh. Oh. Ah, what? Ugly. Woo. Woohoo.
Next, we're gonna open up Orbot and Cubot.
Orbot and Cubot. Next one we have Knuckles and Ripcord board.
Let's take a look at what comes in this set.
Comes in the Knuckles.
And his cool Ripcord board.
I guess the Ripcord doesn't work on this one.
So
Because it's a different time.
The next
Next
thing we're
one
gonna look at
is
is
Tails
playing.
playing. Here's Tails in his plane.
This plane is
plane is
awesome. It even has real
cool
plane
light
sounds.
sounds. Light sounds. Let's put Tails in the plane.
We're also gonna put these missiles right here.
Right here. Now it's all ready to go. Even as lights that light up. Boom! Boom! Hey, can I come with? Sure! Alright, let's go. Wow, this is great! Uh-oh, I turned with the bureaucracy. Huh? What? I see Dr. Eggman down there. No. Ow! Hey, where did it go from? Well, Jungle Knuckles! What's going on here? Ow!
Thanks for watching, and be sure to like,